So try this remedy to get rid of hardship, to get rid of delay. If you have been suffering from delay, promise and fail, rejection, disappointment, this video is specially for you. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Here is a spiritual channel. My name is Pamela. So I use natural things created by God, showing you how they are being applied spiritually to help you in different areas of your spiritual life. You doing them rightly with faith, you see things turning around for you. With faith, believing God that everything will be well with you, you will see things working perfectly. Consider subscribing. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get to see and come and watch. Make sure you like this video, okay? May God bless you. All right, so I'm going to tell you the powers of clove and some other ones I'll be listing soon. But before then, you have to stick to this video. Watch till the end, because I'm going to be telling you some important information at the end of this video that will help you in this particular work. So continue watching. I also want to let you know that I don't do spiritual work. I don't give out WhatsApp number or any form of contact telling you to bring money to do spiritual work for you. Anybody claiming to be me is a scammer. Okay, so beware. Please make sure you get a bowl. A bowl can be any color, but not a black bowl. Make sure you get sea salt, and make sure you get clean water. Make sure you get candle. Okay, this one is a separate one. Then another one, make sure you get honey. Make sure you get clove stick, please. So after getting all these ingredients, they can go on. So where to get all these ingredients are in the supermarket, food stores. You can also order it online. They are just available. Okay, so if you get any spiritual item, make sure you cleanse it. I've thought about how to cleanse anything you get, you purchase. You want to use it for spiritual purpose. This is very important to get rid of any negativity attached to it. Some people have touched it before you. They have used their hand to touch it. People carries bad or good vibrations. So you need to cleanse every item that you want to use for spiritual purpose so that it will be effective. Some people, they do spiritual work today, but it will not work for them. It's not as if their faith was not there, but because the item that they use is not like properly cleansed, prepared ahead for spiritual work. So take note. What to use to cleanse your spiritual item? You can use alligator pepper seed. So I've thought about that. It's just to use some numbers to cleanse that object, to cleanse that items that you bought. Okay, just cleanse and throw it away, praying and telling God to cleanse, just like that. You can go through my videos, you will see that particular one, or if I see the link, I'm going to leave it right on the comment section. So clove is a symbol of attraction and remover of negativity. It makes you attracted to people. It makes people to find you attractive, thereby favoring you. And it also removes anything bad from your life. Any evil thing that evil ones must have placed in you negatively, that will affect you in any negative way, it removes it. So another thing that I mentioned was honey. Honey is another ingredient that brings sweetness and favor. It makes people to favor you. It makes people to just love you as they see you. So it's something that you need to get. First thing you have to do, get a small bowl. Then you count out 7 clove sticks. 7, please. Transfer it into that bowl. Add some amount of honey, about 2 tablespoons of honey, just to cover up the clove stick. Not really so much honey. Then you have to mix. Be praying and use your third finger like this. Be mixing, be praying. You can use your right hand, you can use your left hand, okay, but make sure it's your third middle finger. Be mixing and be praying, saying your intention. You want sweetness in your life. Pray, say all manner of good things to your life. Then you have to leave it overnight. Just soak it overnight, keep it aside. Then you have to get another bowl. This is a bigger bowl, okay. Light your candle light, like just light your candle. Place it in the middle of that bowl. Please use white candle. White candle is universal. It's for all purpose. Whether you are seeking for peace, for prosperity, for any kind of thing you need, for protection, use white candle. There are some colored candles, but because you may not be able to get them, okay, use white candle. White candle stands for divine light and guidance. for God to direct your path, for God to bring light into your life. If there was darkness that is making you to suffer hardship, rejection, delay, the light will lighten the environment or the space and make this to work. Then after, when you have lighted the candle light, the white candle light in the middle of that bowl, then you pour some amount of water gradually. Please do not let that candle to fall. But in case the candle falls, it's not a problem. You just have to remove the water, light it again before adding water. Add that water gently, add it in the bowl. Do not allow that water to be more than the candle. Of course, it's going to turn off the lights. Just like pour some amount of water, okay? Then you have to add sea salt. Just pour about half tablespoon of sea salt as you pray. Be praying. Sea salt is for cleansing. It breaks blockage, any kind of blockage. It breaks it, and it's also for cleansing. Water is for purification. Use clean water, please. It's a spiritual purification that will help to cleanse away evil. So you doing it like this will help. So in that bowl, there is a candle light in the middle with sea salt in that water. Face that bowl. Be praying to God. Be praying. Pour out everything in you. You need power. You need the power of God here. Ask for the power of God into this. That you cannot do this alone. That you need God to visit you, to remove anything darkness in your life, to cleanse away evil, rejections, any kind of bad luck following you. So this particular one, you should do it in the morning. Pray like this: I remove all manner of blockage from my life and open my path for success, for favor, for all good things to start coming to me. So be praying it repeatedly. When you are done, you keep it aside. Then you go and get that honey and clove the next day. After, when that clove and the honey are soaked properly, bring that bowl. Just take some honey, with that clove. Apply all over your hand, just your palm like this. Apply on your feet, like as before you go out. So after praying with that sea salt water and the candle light, remove that candle light, okay? Just remove it. But I don't really advise you to turn it off. So you can leave it on to burn totally, okay? So you use that water to wash your feet, to wash your hand. Be praying and declaring all manner of blessings to yourself. That as you go out, you shall find favor. That anywhere you go to, you shall find favor. Pray and declare good things upon yourself. Then when you are done, do not pat dry, okay? Get that clove, soaked clove with honey. Dip your hand in that honey. Apply on your hand and your feet before you go out. The time to do this is preferably in the morning or at midnight. Midnight is from 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. You can do this. But when you apply that honey, after that spiritual cleansing with water, apply that honey and do not wash it out. This is how it's going to be till you go out the next day. Whether you are going out or not, do this. You shall find favor anywhere, even if it's in your house. So this works effectively. Do this for 3 days or 7 days straight without stopping. Remember, you can do it in the morning or at midnight. May God bless you. Alright, so go on and try it. Let me know how it goes in the comment section, okay? After some days, or give it 1 week or 2 weeks with your faith, believing that God will change your story. You will see great things locating you. May God bless you. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.